Seems like no matter where you look in this city, it is gorgeous, and especially during Christmas time. So we're about to go to this kind of market. It looks like a Christmas market. I don't know if it is. I'm not Danish. They even have reindeer here and Christmas trees. I think we're gonna eat here. Yep, we're definitely gonna eat here. What do y'all recommend? Because I like sausage, but what would you get here?
I would take this one. It's a Krakower. It has a few more spices than the others.
Okay, I'll take that then. And then some fries.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is for you too.
Yeah.
Yeah. And the food.
Okay, bad. I'm good.
Have a nice time in Copenhagen.
Thank you, I appreciate it. So far, Danish people have been really nice.
Nice. Great.
All right, so this is the sausage slash hot dog that he recommended, and then some fries. Let's see if he was telling the truth, and this is the best with the best spices. And I also had to get, you know, some more vlog. I love this stuff out here. All right, let's give this sausage a try. Okay, this is good. He was on it. And I think this is some red vlog. Let's try it. Apparently, I got a spoon. I don't know why I have a spoon though. I guess to mix it around. When you do get glog though, it's gonna be hot, so hot wine. Just don't burn your tongue like I did earlier. All right, let's try these fries. Oh, these fries, fire. I know I say fire a lot, but for real, this is fire. This is way better than going to some expensive restaurant over there by the canal. Every country I go to, I'm always looking for a Christmas ornament because my mother loves getting those when I come back from traveling. And I think we just found the place that we're gonna get her a Christmas ornament here from Denmark. Can't decide. Should we get the Viking or should we get the heart? Mission success. We got it here in Denmark and still love it, hopefully. Oh wait, they got waffles? Oh, this looks so good actually. Oh man. Oh, they smell so good. Oh wow. Hey, hey. Which one do you recommend? Because they all look so good.
Probably the one with white chocolate Oreo.
Which one is this one right here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take one of those, please.
Yeah, anything else?
No, I need to leave the street before I get bankrupt. So how do you like Denmark?
I love it here.
Why?
It's just everybody's very friendly and everything's very cozy.
And then what about America? How do you feel about America?
Well, I like it. I spent a year in California, but I like Denmark better.
Really? If this is not good, I'm coming back. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Wow. He was telling the truth, but like, just look at how beautiful that looks. That looks so gorgeous. So this has Oreos, white chocolate on it. Okay, this is fire. This right here, fire. We need these in America. Waffle on the stick, white chocolate, Oreos. Wow. So I'm in my last spot, which is a food market here in Copenhagen, Denmark. And actually, I'm here with a Danish guy that I met in Bali, if y'all remember him.
Am I supposed to say something?
Yeah.
Sorry,
Yeah, you good.
Okay, yeah. It's a long time since, I guess 2 months or something, but now we're here. Today we're here in Torvehallerne, which is like an exclusive food market in the center of Copenhagen. So normally when we buy groceries in the supermarket and stuff like that, still high quality, but it's where you go to get the exclusive stuff when you really need something.
Every market has seafood. Every market.
So much good stuff.
So do you actually buy stuff from here?
Rarely, because I live quite a far away from here, but when I'm here, or if we have to cook like at a friend's place and have a nice night of dinner or something like that, lunch, then we definitely go here. Torvehallerne, det smørrebrød ligger. Den der tættest på søen. Okay, så kommer vi derover. Tak skal du have.
He forgot where we're supposed to be going.
Yeah,
Had to
yeah.
phone a friend.
Always good to call for some help. Open sandwiches, aka smørrebrød.
How do you say it?
Smørrebrød. Smørrebrød.
Okay, so smørrebrød.
Smørrebrød. Yes.
Smørrebrød. I don't. Danish language is just. It's wild. I thought Finnish was crazy. No, I think Finnish still is a lot harder than Danish.
Okay, so as we are like pretty late for this, normally you would go for this for lunch.
Okay.
It's like what they have left. They're not gonna make more now, but I'm pretty sure though that it's all at half price. So we might save a little on that. That when you have it, you have the options to get a lot of different stuff in very different tastes. So you get it, and you almost always get it on rye bread, obviously, and because that's the whole Danish thing with that. And then you just put whatever kind of on top. When you call it smørrebrød, it means there's a lot of it on the topping of the toppings, right? Vi har heldigvis ikke ventet på det, så vi kommer alligevel og skal have det.
All right, so I'm assuming you just cut into this thing, and everything's falling off. Ten out of 10. Maybe it's because I love shrimp, but it just kind of takes me back to a simpler time as being a kid and just playing with my food and eating my food. Like, I don't know, like no plate, bread as a plate, and then shrimp. Like, maybe the Danish know what's going on. All right, so now we're gonna see a Danish person eat this and see, like, do they really like it, or is this just a thing for tourists? So this is the fish cake one.
Yes, this is the fish cake going, the thing we call fiskefrikadeller in Danish. Normally, frikadella is with pork and calf, or veal, it's called veal. But in this case, it's made with fish instead.
Is this your first time trying this or no?
It's really good. So yeah, it's my first time trying it, the fish cake one here at this place specifically. I've been here before. It's good stuff, and that's why we came here. But I've never had the fish cake here. Fish cake I've had many other places, and this one is good for sure. It's really good. So